Hey my beauties, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I will be showing you guys how to clean your makeup brushes and beauty blenders. I will be using the Sote soap. The soap is amazing and it's so affordable. I get my makeup foundation on these beauty blenders and I find it so hard to take these stains away. I find the Sote cleans them all out. I'm going to start off by filling this bowl with warm water and soak these beauty blenders. Meanwhile, I have this DIY tray that I made easily to clean up my makeup brushes. This Bridget helps out a lot and gets the job done. I start off by wetting the brush and twirling it onto the soap and washing it diagonally on the tray. Making sure to get it soapy as possible, the makeup all out, dirt, and bacteria. I will be doing this continuously. Here I am then rinsing the brush with warm water, making sure it's nice and clean. This tray I made is so simple, just using hot glue and making it the way you want. Dots, lines, diagonally, different patterns, whatever you like. This Sote works so good, guys. I literally have tried everything you can imagine. Soap, conditioner, beauty products from Sephora, everything. DIYs, everything. But this Sote is amazing. This soap is definitely worth it. Getting to the point where I lay my brushes onto a towel and pat dry them, making sure they're nice and dry. I have stains that I couldn't take off. Here I am rubbing the beauty blender onto the soap into different directions. It doesn't hurt to clean your beauty blender twice, making sure that it is completely clean. I am squeezing it, making sure that I can get much of the soap out and making sure it comes out clear. Taking my rubbing alcohol onto a clean paper napkin, I spray some 70% rubbing alcohol. I sterilize my brush handles because these handles can get very messy. I'm super impressed how this Sote soap works. This is literally my go-to brush cleaner and how I clean up my makeup brushes and beauty blenders. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on my next babes.